In today's wrap-up, Armenia's total number of coronavirus cases rise above 100. Additional wards are to be built in a Yerevan hospital for COVID-19 patients. Armenian authorities have banned the entry of citizens from 16 countries, and several airlines have suspended flights to and from Armenia. During a live stream on Facebook, Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan confirmed that several new cases of coronavirus have been confirmed. As of Wednesday evening, the tally stands at 102 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the country. Pashinyan stated that around 80% of the newly infected patients have some connection to the case in Ejmiadzin, relating to an engagement party, as well as a factory in Yerevan. Pashinyan also said that as of Wednesday, around 600 people are in quarantine. Minister of Health Arsen Torosyan announced on Wednesday that Yerevan's Nork Infectious Diseases Hospital will see new wards built in order to increase capacity. Torosyan stated that 40 new wards will be available within 3 to 4 days, just as authorities in Armenia are seeing a surge in coronavirus cases. Since cases of COVID-19 started to soar in Armenia, the Nork Hospital has been fully dedicated to treating patients of the novel coronavirus. Deputy Prime Minister Tigran Jrbashyan announced on Facebook that citizens of 16 countries will now be unable to enter Armenia. Many of these countries are currently reporting sharp increases in cases of coronavirus. The list of countries include China, Iran, South Korea, Japan, Italy, Spain, France, Germany, Switzerland, Denmark, Austria, Belgium, Norway, Sweden, the Netherlands, and the United Kingdom. Jrbashyan also stated that Armenian citizens returning from these countries must undergo 14 days of quarantine. Furthermore, exceptions will be given to drivers of cargo trucks entering Armenia if they are not displaying any symptoms. Finally, some airlines have decided to temporarily suspend their flights to and from Armenia. Flights to Italy, Israel, and Iran were already suspended, but a number of airlines have announced a huge reduction in their flights not just to Armenia but worldwide. These include Qatar Airways, Belavia Belarusian Airlines, Air Cairo, Polish Airlines, Ukrainian Airlines, Fly Dubai, Austrian Airlines, Brussels Airlines, and others. Civilnet columnist Patrick Azadian wrote an op-ed questioning the government list of countries whose citizens are now banned from entering Armenia. Azadian questioned why countries like Denmark, Switzerland, and Norway are included, yet citizens of countries like the US, Lebanon, India, and the Philippines are still free to enter Armenia. Azadian raised an interesting issue. What if countries like India suddenly see a huge hike in reported cases? Is the government's targeting of countries with high numbers of reported cases really that wise? And finally, director of the Ameria consulting company and economist Tigran Jrbashyan spoke to Civilnet about the possible economic consequences of the coronavirus outbreak for Armenia. Jrbashyan drew parallels between the 2008 recession and today, adding that bailouts would not be very efficient right now. He also spoke of the black swan effect, when banks and trading firms are vulnerable and exposed to losses beyond those predicted by their financial models. Jrbashyan says that the economic consequences of this outbreak will be tangible in the upcoming 2-3 years, and that Armenia must implement long-term strategies.